Side hustle series, side hustle series, side hustle. I'm broke. On today's episode of the Side Hustle series, dun 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 dun. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Michaela, and
So we're starting something new, and I'm so excited. This is episode 1. Basically, what's going to happen is every week I'm going to test out a new side hustle that I either found on YouTube or on TikTok, Instagram, whatever. And then I'm just going to show you what I had to do, if it's true, and if I made any money, how much it costed me to start, if it's a side hustle worth trying. Kat Theo is her YouTube handle, and she is selling ebooks online through Amazon, and she calls them low content books because it's more like every page inside the book is the same. So you'll see. So to start, she has us making a BookBolt account, and to make this BookBolt account, you do need a credit card, but it's a 3-day trial, and I canceled my subscription right after I was done doing this, so that's fine. I haven't gotten charged anything yet. Just make sure you cancel the subscription, because you know that's what we need to do. All right, and now we are creating the book, okay? So you can see right here, you got to put in the dimensions, page count, the basic stuff, the nitty-gritty stuff. And honestly, I didn't enjoy this part too much. It was a little stressful because the dimensions, she said it, but then when I would do it, it wasn't the same. And like, I don't think that's her fault. I think it might have been my fault, or Canva's fault, BookBolt's fault. I don't know, but it was kind of tedious. And making the cover, I really enjoyed making the cover. I'm not gonna lie. It was a fun little art craft. The first time I made the cover, I enjoyed it. The first time. It was fun. I love making graphics. It was so fun. Use a little bit of creativity. This is the only creative part that is required, which is why I am rating the creativity required for this video a 3 out of 10, because you really just need to get a catchy maybe title for the book, a catchy title page, and a couple images, and that's it. Side hustle series, side hustle series, side hustle, I'm broke. And then we're back here again doing the dimensions for the actual interior of the book. So this is supposed to be easy, but again, it was not. If it's just me, but I also tried to do a cookbook, which was a little more complicated, I guess, but the dimensions were not correct the first time I did it, and I implemented it and uploaded it. You'll see later, but basically you can see like it's the same page over and over again. This honestly makes me feel like I'm cheating the book creators of the world, and I feel bad.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Don't forget to like the video, please, and subscribe, because I want you to know when the next side hustle series is coming out. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And now we're on to the almost making money part. So what you're going to do is, obviously, we're going to KDP. I forget what it actually stands for. Kindle Print something. And then it's just Kindle Direct Publishing. And then you're just uploading the pages, so the manuscript. And then you're also uploading the title. This is what messed me up. I did this for at least an hour and a half. I was uploading it back and forth, and I was getting angry. I was gonna quit. I was honestly gonna quit. I was like, this is not worth, it's not worth however much money I'm not gonna make. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it. And I was just not enjoying it at this point, and I had to redo the cover because I don't know. I didn't know what was wrong. I clicked the dimensions. I literally followed her video step by step. She did cut out a part where she put the 2 pages on Canva next to each other. So I spent time Googling it, as you'll see later. And then I uploaded it again. And what happened? Do you see this? Do you see this?
How
Little page look like this. I spent time on this. Time. Oh my gosh. I was getting so angry. Did you see how many times I Googled how to put 2 cover pages next to each other? And to be honest, full transparency, I think you needed to have a paid Canva, but I'm not paying for Canva. I'm not paying what is it called? What are those things called? Whatever. And then I figured out I could just create my own cover on KDP itself. And that is what I did right here. You could see it happening right now. But through that whole entire experience of uploading, that was the difficult part. So honestly, in all fairness, like, that's not the worst thing that could have happened, but like, it's not fun. It was not fun. This ruined the experience for me. I wanted to create the title once, and I put a solid effort into it, like a good 20 minutes, and I enjoyed it. It was beautiful. And then I had to do it 3 more times. But now we're back, and we're uploading the book, and I'm trying to launch the previewer. It is a very slow program. I kind of enjoyed it. Like, it was very easy. Again, bringing down the difficulty level. I think overall, for doing this entire book, I would rate it a 5.5 out of 10 for difficulty, just because of the cover and re-uploading. I re-uploaded the manuscript, I think, 3 times, and the cover at least 4. I cut out sometimes that I re-uploaded it because it was getting ridiculous. And then I priced it, and it was pretty simple. Like, it wasn't difficult. I enjoyed it. And then I had to finish setting up my account. This is actually something that alarmed me. They were asking me about something regarding taxes. I didn't know what to put for it. Because it was asking, like, because I'm from Canada, so I don't know. It was asking some US questions. I said I was not from the US. And then it says it's going to withhold 30% of the profits from me. And I was like, okay, well, I'd rather do that than the IRS or whoever the heck, CRA, that keeps calling me to begin with, fines me.
The very second you receive this message, I need you or a written attorney to give us a call.
It's the fake CRA, by the way. Like, I'm not actually being investigated. Fines me. And then I just uploaded the book. As you can see right here. The book is uploaded. The worst part now. Now, this is where it gets irritating. And unfortunately, she did not mention this part, is the book was in review for 3 to 4 days. It says up to 72 hours, and I understand, like, the processing's slow, but the shipping time's faster than this. Like, I could get a package quicker than the amount of time it took for them to proofread my title page. Like, what? Like, hurry up. What is this? I was very irritated. So I just waited and waited and waited, and I was still waiting, and nothing was happening. So I was honestly gonna give up, and I was like, well, I can't show my viewers nothing. I can't. But then I think it was 2 days ago or 3 days ago, maybe, I don't know, I got the email saying, oh, your book is published, you know, it's able to be searched and bought. Take you to KDP, and I can show you my book is live paperback, and I set it to have not a good profit, but like $2, I think $2.20 per profit, which I'm totally fine with if I don't have to do anything. And look how many orders I got. Nothing, no orders. But I do understand that 1, it'll either take some time. 2, I might have to do some Facebook ads. I totally get that. There's probably a lot of competition out here. And Kat has a lot of views on her video. There's no money coming in. There's no pre-orders. There's no payments. There's no historical. There's no month to date. I did not make a single dollar at all out of this entire experience. And I'm not mad, because it was a learning experience and it didn't cost me anything. Overall, though, funness, I think I would rate this experience 2.5 out of 10, just because, like, the only fun part was making the cover, and then it wasn't fun because I had to redo it 3 to 5 times. Time-wise, it took me about 3.5 to 4 hours. I'd say 3.5 to 4 hours. Watching her tutorial, it was really simple, straightforward. So time-wise, totally, I love that commit. Difficulty, 5.5 out of 10. Creativity requirements, 3 out of 10. And fun, 2.5 out of 10, which gives us a total of 36% satisfaction. It costed me $0. Let me know in the comments down below what side hustle series you want to see next, and I will 100% try my best to incorporate it in one of the upcoming episodes, seasons maybe, who knows. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more frequent content at MK's Money, and make sure you subscribe, because how will you know when I drop another side hustle series episode?